Hi loves, happy belated new year. This is my first video of 2018 and it's kind of a weird one because it's sort of Christmas themed and I know we're past that now, but I'm finally getting around to filming this video. So this holiday season I participated in a YouTube Secret Santa and I've been waiting to open this package because I wanted to do it on camera. I'm so curious what it is. I have no idea who sent this to me, just someone in our little YouTube Secret Santa group. I know there's only a couple videos up so far, but once there is a playlist I will have it linked down below so you guys can check out everyone else's videos. You can see what I got for my Secret Santa, which I won't reveal in this video because not everyone has been revealed yet, but I had a lot of fun picking out the gifts that I sent to my Secret Santa, so it seemed like they liked them and I'm excited about that. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get into my own Secret Santa unboxing. So this is a Amazon package. It's kind of heavy. I'm really not sure what is in it, but we're gonna find out. I'm not gonna mess around here. I have some scissors because this Amazon tape is actually really hard to get open. Let me know if you guys also struggle with this, but whenever I have to open it without scissors, I have a rough time. I'm so curious what this is. It just feels very solid, so I'm not sure if it's like multiple things or one just like real heavy thing. No idea. I tried to give my Santa a lot of like different ideas. I literally just linked things because I figured that way they'd get a good idea of like my taste and what things might be a good fit for me. Ugh, this tape is so hard to get open. We're almost there, in case you're wondering. Oh, wait, this is so cute. It's like gift wrapped. So there is like a little ribbon, which probably has seen better days, but it still looks really cute. And then there's this like really pretty, like thick polka dotted wrapping paper, and I see something right here too, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with that. I know that this specifically was on my list, so I'm really excited to get it. Ah! So this is the question and answer book. I'm sure that you guys have seen this from at least another YouTuber because a lot of YouTubers have this book. But basically it gives you some kind of question every day of the year. So you can open it up and let's see, today that I'm filming this is January 8th. So it says, what song is stuck in your head? So then I would go ahead and fill this out. And the cool thing about this book is it has 5 different sets of lines so that if you're really dedicated, you can fill this out over 5 years and see how your answers change. And I just thought it was kind of a fun idea for a little journal. And I've always meant to buy this for myself, but never did. So I put it on my little Secret Santa list and I'm really excited that I got it. Wow, there's like multiple things in here, guys. This is so cute. It says, a gift for you. That's so cute. Oh wait, there's a little tag on here too. And then it says, hey Cassie, hope your presents made it to you on time. Looking forward to watching your unboxing video. Well, here I am. Hi. I'm sorry that I'm uploading this so late, but I know our whole Secret Santa has been a little delayed, so I hope you don't mind. I did get this on time. It came, I think, while I was home in Florida for Christmas, so it's been a little while, but still, finally getting to it. Getting to show you guys everything that's in here. Wow, this is like a whole little gift bag. I'm totally keeping this after this. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this! Oh, guys, I have been wanting to read this book since it came out. If you've watched me for a while, you probably know that I'm a huge fan of Connor Franta. Just his entire existence and how artsy he is. He's just adorable. And this is his second book, Note to Self. Oh, I cannot wait to read this. Oh, and it's got a lot of photography in it that's just absolutely beautiful. Like, look at this. I cannot wait to read this. Thank you so much. And then there is one more cute little gift bag in here. This one's blue, which is really pretty. And another gift tag, which says the same cute little message from my Secret Santa. And let's see what this one is. Shout out to Amazon for their gift wrapping, honestly. It's adorable. Alright, so we have some tissue paper. And then inside there's this little, like, envelope deal. So much opening and ripping in this video. Ooh, yes. This was also on my list for Secret Santa. Where are the scissors? So this is actually a lens hood This just goes on the front of the kit lens, which I'm actually filming on right now. And this is really useful for when you're outside and you're filming and it's maybe really sunny. It kind of helps to shield your lens a little bit so that you can take beautiful pictures and videos and not have the sun be kind of just ruining it for you. So I also just love having this because honestly it makes you look so much more professional. So I'm excited to play around with this. I've definitely received a nice amount of camera equipment to play with this Christmas and holiday season. So, and now my birthday's tomorrow, so I just feel really spoiled this time of year, if we're being honest. There also was a cute little like lens cleaning cloth in there, which is really helpful. You always want to make sure that your lens looks nice so you don't have some weird dot on the screen the whole time. That's just annoying when that happens. All right, and that was it for my little Secret Santa unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and to my Secret Santa, thank you so much. These things are awesome and I'm so excited to read this book and do some journaling and of course go and do some shooting with this new lovely lens hood. Perfect. And yeah, I guess that is about it. I feel like I've rambled enough and struggled enough with opening things in this video that I should probably stop talking. But if you guys are new here and you're coming from the Secret Santa playlist, please make sure to subscribe to my channel right down there. It means a lot and you'll be not updated, well I guess updated, when I upload new videos, which I'm trying to get into a new upload schedule now. So hopefully this video is going to go up today, Monday, and I'm going to be uploading on Mondays and Fridays. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm really wanting to stick with it this year. It's one of my New Year's resolutions to be better about the consistency on my YouTube channel because I love doing this. I love talking to you guys and just being a part of this awesome community. So yeah, I guess that really is about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. My social media is down below. If you want to stalk me, you should, just saying. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm not just a pretty girl.